Hello folks, so today we will see how to transfer an Android application from one account to another. So our first step here is that we will log into Google Play console with the account to which we want to transfer our application. So here you can see Open Google Help Center icon, and we'll just click on it and you will see this option to transfer app to another account. And again we'll just click on it and you will see that there are already steps mentioned here that are to be followed in order to get your app transferred. Okay, so our first step here is to get the transaction ID of the target account. Here you can see it says that sign into Google Payments with target owner's email. So we'll just click on it and you can see the Google Play developer token, which means that when this account was purchased. So now we just need to get the transaction ID. Here you can see that there is a transaction ID, so we'll just copy it. Okay, so now moving further, we will log into Google Play console with the account from which we want to transfer the application. So after login, here you can see the search bar, so we'll just search app transfer here and you can see this option and we'll just click on it and it will redirect us to this page. And here what we need to do is just click on this transfer app button. So now we need to fill out this information here. First one is the developer account email, that is the target account email address. So we'll just fill it, and next we need to select the reason that why are we transferring our application. Here are multiple options. As you can see, you can select any reason that you find relative. So let's just choose this reason, and the last one here is the transaction ID. So we'll just paste the transaction ID that we copied earlier. So we'll just click on add apps text here that you can see, and also now you can see the list of applications here. So we'll just select the app that you want to transfer, and now let's just confirm the above entries that we have filled here, and we'll just click on transfer app. So then it shows this dialog showing multiple checkboxes. So just read it along and check all the checkboxes and then click on transfer. Okay, so here it shows this error that the transaction ID is not correct. Okay, so sometimes this may happen that the transaction ID might not be correct. So in that case, just remove this text up to the registration part, and now again we'll follow the same steps and then check all the checkboxes and then click on transfer. And now here you can see that the transfer request is accepted. Now Google will review your request, and I guess that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay updated and stay safe.